Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your Duolingo app icon. However, it will depend on a couple of things, which is your device type and the number of icons that you have unlocked. So, first is through the Super Duolingo or the Duolingo Max dashboard. So, you just simply tap on the owl at the top right corner, click on this one, and then tap turn on beneath the app icon. So if you're a Super Duolingo member, you will get the super icon, but if you're a Duolingo Max member, you will get the Max icon. So you will just get a notification to say that your app icon has successfully changed. So from here, just head back to the device's home screen, and your Duolingo app should have a new icon, just like this one. Now, the second way to change your Duolingo icon is through the streak society. So this is probably the best way to change your app icons as you get them all in one place. So to enter your Streak Society dashboard, tap on the Streak flame at the top of your screen, this one, swipe across the Streak Society and then tap Enter Now. This one, click. And then next to that is tap the Change App icon, this one, just tap on this one, and then you will get as many as 3 app icons to choose from. So choose one of the available app icons or restore the default Duolingo icon. So you will get a notification to say that your app icon has successfully changed. And then if you head back to your device's home screen, your Duolingo application should have its new icon, just like this one. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!